Hello students, in the last class I explained you the exercise 2.2 and I gave some questions as a homework. Now in the today's class I will solve the homework questions. See the questions. Define a relation R in the set n of natural numbers by, this is the relation x comma y, y is nothing but it is x plus y, x plus 5 and x we have to select such that it should be a natural number and less than 4. So with the help of that concept, how you write the relation R? If you write x as a 1, y is 6. That is 1 comma 6. And you have to select a number less than 4. Remember that. If you take 2, 2 plus 5, 7. If you take 3, 3 plus 5, 8. And you cannot take 4 because it should be a less than 4. So these are the ordered pair using this relation. Now we defined the relation. We have to write the domain of this. Domain of R. What is the domain? We have to write all the first elements in the ordered pairs. And range of R. Write on the second elements. Suppose if they ask the codomain, means what you will write? Codomain is nothing but the second set. Second set is also set of natural numbers. So codomain is a set of natural numbers. Yes students, now compare this answer with your solution whatever you solved, because it is a homework question. Yes, you got the correct answer or what? Now you are happy. Moving to the next question. That is question number 4, because third I already solved in the previous class. Question number 4, in that the question is given like this. The figure, that means the figure is given in the problem, shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. Write this relation. First one, in a set builder form. That means you have to write the rule, remember that. Second one, in roster. Roster is nothing but just you have to write the ordered pairs. Next, what is its domain and range. And the figure is like this. This is P, this is Q, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. See, these are connected with these numbers. So, can you write the relation with the help of figure in the set builder form? So, first write down what is set P. From the figure, what is set P? Set P is 5, 6, 7. And set Q is 3, 4, 5. See how they are related, how you write the R in the set builder form. First, as usual, they are in the ordered form, x comma y, such that y is equal to x minus 2. So this number is 2 units less than this number. That's why I wrote x minus 2, and x belongs to set P. That means we have to select only these numbers. Or you can write another presentation. R is nothing but x comma y, write on or, another way. y is x minus 2 and x is equal to 5, 6, 7. You can select only these numbers. This is the set builder form. And what is the roster form? Roster form is nothing but just write down the ordered pace. Just write down the ordered pace from the figure. It is very simple. So R is equal to, what you will write? 5, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5. Correct or what? After that, write down the domain. Domain and range is very simple. Domain of R, all the first letters. 5, 6, 7. Range of R, all the second numbers in the ordered pair. Correct. So this is the fourth question. Moving to the next homework question. I know that already you solved because the problems are very simple. Just compare your answer with the solutions. You feel very easy if you get the correct answer. Suppose if you did any small mistake, don't worry, just make the correction of that. Moving to the next question, question number 6. Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R is equal to x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? So write down the first relation R. First number is x, second number is x plus 5 and x should be here. Suppose if you take 0, 0 plus 5 is 0. If you take 1, it is 6. 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. 3, 8. 4, 9. 5, 10. See, is it very simple or what? Now write down the domain and range. Domain of R, all the first numbers in the ordered pair. Range of R is nothing but all the second numbers. See, is it very simple or what? Yes. Moving to the next question, that is the 8th question in that homework. Eighth question. Let A is equal to x, y, z and B is equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. So already we are familiar with the formula. Again I will explain. So A is given and B is given. First write down A cross B. How many ordered pair? Here 3 elements, here 2 elements. Total we have a 6 ordered pairs. X comma 1, X comma 2, Y comma 1, Y comma 2, Z comma 1, Z comma 2. Total we have a 6 ordered pair. That is the number of elements in A cross B is 6. And the number of subsets or the number of relations from A to B is number of relations from A to B is equal to 2 raised to 6. Is it very simple or what? Yes. If you remember that concept, it is very simple. So till this video you watched so many classes, and please share these videos with your friends to get the next chapters in a simple way. Share these videos with your friends, and if you are watching first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. In the next class, I will move to the next concept, that is the functions. It is very important and you will get one question for 5 marks from these functions.